Hey, how are you doing? Thanks for joining my class again. My name is Miss Silva. In this lesson, we will learn about the word family, ab. Can you try making that sound? Ab. Well done. Let's try sounding out this word. La-a-b. La-a-b. Lab. Da-a-b. Da-a-b. Dab. Ta-a-b. Ta-a-b. Tab. Ka-a-b. Ka-a-b. Cab. Let's read a short story together. Keep a lookout for all of the words that end with ab. The lab. She had a lab. She is at the lab. She had a cab. She is in the cab. Let's take a look at these words again. This time, I would like you to try to sound them out. That's right. This spells lab. Dab. Well done. T-A-B spells tab. Cab. You did so well. You get a sticker. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Let's check for understanding. By the end of this lesson, I know the sound that ab words make. I can sound out and read the words that end with ab.